Yes, thank you for confirming so. Now everyone knows thanks to you and only you. Cool but fake. I played the map and I say it's a real fake elevator unless someone knows how it works. I think the best part of this video is the revised version of Living Mice. That would be great in real game. This seems so legit. Oh, this elevator was shaking, so no, it's not Ugo. Stop saying it's fake, you noobs, it's the UgoCraft mod. Fake. That's fake, and if you wanna be a dumb base, go suck a dick instead. UgoCraft mod was used. It's a mod. It's green screen retard. That looks so fake. What's the idea of this vibe? Piston elevators move by blocks, not continuous. Did you use a mod for this? And if you did, which mod? Fact, not real. Isso não funciona. Fake. No. Everybody repeat after me, it is a You suck. At least give him some credit for the vibe. It's coolio and shit. Men, it's fakey. Me? You don't say? I would actually find this awesome. Nice idea. Zipping mod? Mod. The elevator isn't even moving. It's the ground that's moving down. We have a winner, everyone. What? George, why don't you tell him what he's won? What did I win? I feel like George today, and he has won a cookie, but he has to buy it himself. Hair, you said win roll. He's won a fruit. It's like he's almost right, but then you realize how wrong he really is. It's like someone saying, people who think 9-11 was an inside job are stupid. It was clearly the aliens shooting them down with lasers because the government wasn't cooperating. Thank you, Mr. Captain Obvious.